Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making orange chicken and fried rice. I think it'll be the easy way. We are at home quarantining, so I want to, like I said in my last cooking video, I want to switch it up. So I'm going to try some new recipes today. If you're interested in seeing what I have to cook or how I make the orange chicken and fried rice, just stay tuned. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, your post notification bells are turned on. Comment down below and let me know if you've tried this before, what's your favorite recipe, or yeah, all that good stuff. Anyways, let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to make is my fried rice. And to make the fried rice, you want to have pre-made rice already cooked. That way it's nice and cold. So I already made some rice. And I'm going to use 2 organic eggs, whatever eggs you choose to make. Honestly, I just started eating organic eggs, so I'm going to use 2 for my portion. Yeah, I'm going to use 2 for my portion of rice. If you like more eggs, you can use more eggs. And I'm going to use soy sauce, green onions, and of course egg. If you want to add chicken or shrimp, you can do that also, but today we're just making the regular fried rice because we're going to be pairing it with the orange chicken. So my hands are clean. Let me just rinse them off again. I hope y'all are staying safe. I hope y'all staying at home. The longer y'all be out and about, the longer we're going to be on quarantine. So yeah, stay at home. And yeah, I'm just gonna wash my hands again. Yeah, I just cracked 2 eggs here and I'm going to scramble them up. I'm gonna season that with some black pepper. I'm not going to add salt. You can season your eggs however you choose, but I'm not going to add salt because I'm trying to not add salt to the food. Plus we're going to be using soy sauce and that has enough sodium. I already cut up some green onions, so I'm going to add that to the fried rice. That adds a lot of flavor. Okay, so since we already got this stuff prepped to make the fried rice, we are going to prep the chicken for the orange chicken because I'm going to use the same wok. So I'm only going to use 1 chicken breast. I don't want to make that much meat because we're trying not to eat as much meat, but the rice is going to be enough for my family. So I'm just going to cut this into little nuggets, and then we're going to prep this, and then we're going to go over and make the fried rice. And I'm not going to be showing you all the measurements because truth be told, it's, you know, I don't have time for all of that, to do all that type of research. I'm trying to make it quick and simple. I'm trying to get in the kitchen, out the kitchen, in my bed. We're trying to relax during this time, and I'm not trying to be stressed out. So if you want to make your own orange chicken from scratch, I'm pretty sure you can find a very good video, but I'm going to be using this. It's the Panda Express orange sauce. So of course I'm going to be washing my hands again. You want to wash your hands after you touch anything, especially dealing with chicken. So this is my cut up chicken, and I'm going to season it a little bit, a small amount, with black pepper and salt, a little salt, like a little bit, just for taste, I guess. So I'm going to mix that up. Then I'm going to add egg white, cornstarch. Y'all, I barely know how to cook. But I'm trying. It's all gonna come together. So yeah, add a little bit. Too much cornstarch, maybe. I don't really fry chicken. I usually bake it. My boyfriend is the one who fries all the chicken whenever we do eat it. So I'm just gonna mix that. And y'all might fry y'all chicken differently, but when I looked it up, this is how the man did it. So don't drag me in the comments. This is how I'm gonna do it today. You live and you learn. I'm pretty sure we have many more days to try it again if it messes up. So I'm gonna let the chicken sit here, and then we're gonna go make the fried rice. No, so I'm just gonna put some oil in my wok, and then once that heats up, I'm gonna add in my eggs. How are y'all doing right now with the quarantine? I hope everybody's doing good and staying safe. I work from home full time, so not much has changed. Just on the weekend, I be wanting to go somewhere or go get out and can't do that. So the wok gets hot pretty quickly. So you're gonna add a little bit of oil into your wok. Once that heat up, you're gonna add in your eggs. And once that's about 75% cooked, let me show you. Now I'm gonna go in and add my rice. So before you add your rice, you want to add a little bit more vegetable oil. Now rice is going to be a little hard to break up because it's cold. Just be patient. And now I'm going to add my mixed vegetables. It has carrots, green beans, corn, and peas. I'm gonna let this all cook, blend together. I'm about to add a little bit of soy sauce right now. Always start with a little bit because you can, you know, you don't want to overdo it. You can always add, but you can't take away. Just make sure all of your rice is mixed so that the soy sauce is blended. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. I'm not gonna add any salt. If you like spicy food and you wanna add sriracha, you can go ahead and add sriracha also, but I don't want to. I like to add it on my own. I'm gonna add a little bit more soy sauce, and then I'm gonna add some of my green onions right now. That's optional. I mean, you don't have to, but I like green onions. Okay. So that is nice and hot. I'm going to plate it, and I might stick it in the oven just so that it stays warm, but not to like cook it. Okay, like I said before, my wok gets hot really quickly, and I see the oil is bubbling, so I'm going to add the chicken. I'm gonna cook that until it's brown on one side, and then I'm gonna flip it. Y'all don't talk about this chicken. I hope that I made it right. Hell, ain't no turning back now. Yeah, if y'all didn't catch it, this is the sauce that I'm gonna be using. The Panda Express orange sauce. I don't know why it's not focusing, but y'all can see it good enough there. I'm just gonna let this cook. I have a question. When y'all be cooking, do you, after you're cooking, okay, so I took my bath already, but if I already take my bath, wash my face, and I go and cook, I have to go wash my face again. Cause like my face is over the stove, and I just feel like so nasty. So I gotta like I have to like wash like my neck up. I have to like, I don't know. Am I the only one who does that? If you do that too, let me know in the comments. One thing I absolutely hate cooking is chicken, and that's all I cook. So I should know when the chicken is cooked, but I'm not a technical chef. I just try to get it done to feed my family. They said to cook it until it's golden brown. We almost there. I don't fry chicken, so stress. I could put my thermometer in there to check it, but like I said, I'm not technical. Y'all see I try to put some lashes on. I only have like a few. Y'all know, like I said, my lighting is bad in my kitchen. Can y'all see? Trust me, it's cooked. It's golden brown. Y'all see I didn't make a lot of chicken. My daughter may or may not eat it. It's enough for us because we got a lot of rice. A lot of rice. So I'm just gonna let that heat up.
I see you. I see the vlog.
You see the vlog?
No, I see you guys.
Say subscribe to the channel.
No, honey, by myself.
Not right now, princessa.
I'm not making food. I'm paying my
So of course, with my daughter being up, running in and out of my kitchen, something is going to happen, and that is why I cook so late, because I don't know, I feed her before she goes to sleep, but as far as meals for me and my boyfriend, it's very hard for me to cook with the way how my apartment is set up, because she's always in and out of my kitchen and she wants to help. And so she tried to give me my wine and I'm like, no, and then boom. But anyways, y'all are not here for that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys are going to recreate this, and I hope you guys enjoy it, period. Enjoy the food. And yeah, I'm going to tell you guys what I think in a minute. All right, you guys, this is the completed dish. Hope you guys can see that. Y'all hear my daughter in the background yelling at me. She's saying I'm not her best friend, because anyways, okay. All right, Shy. Hey guys, so this is the completed dish, my version of orange chicken and vegetable rice. Yes, I know everything is not from scratch, but you know what? I think I did a pretty good job, and I already sampled some of it and it tastes delicious. I hope that I was able to give you guys an idea of a quarantine meal at home, or just in general, you know, a new idea to cook. It's definitely new for me, and I'm excited that I was able to make this video with you guys. You were able to see a typical night for me being a mom and trying to cook meals. It's very hard, but I was able to do it, and this is just my way to get a break. Hope you guys are staying safe out there, and I will see you guys in my next video.